Rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2 continue to generate excitement among gaming enthusiasts, and a recent leak from the reputable tech YouTuber, Red Gaming Tech, has only added fuel to the fire. According to this leak, the forthcoming console from Nintendo could boast specifications that surpass even the most optimistic expectations. One of the most significant revelations in this leak is the potential use of a MediaTek processor to power the Nintendo Switch 2. This processor configuration reportedly includes 2 Cortex-A4 cores, 2 Cortex-A720 cores, and 4 Cortex-A520 cores. This marks a notable departure from previous speculations that suggested the Switch 2 would feature a custom NVIDIA Tegra T239 Drake processor. While the Tegra T239 would have already been a substantial improvement over the original Switch's Tegra X1, it has started to show its age since its inception in the Tegra Orin chip family back in 2018. If the Switch 2 indeed launches in the latter half of 2024, the adoption of the MediaTek processor could potentially provide a more contemporary and powerful hardware foundation. The implications of such an upgrade are immense, potentially allowing the Nintendo Switch 2 to compete favorably with its contemporaries, the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series S, in terms of performance. This shift could redefine the Nintendo gaming experience and open doors to new gaming possibilities. The leak doesn't stop at the processor, but also delves into the graphical processing unit GPU. It suggests that the Switch 2's GPU may feature between 12 to 16 streaming multiprocessors, based on the Ada Lovelace microarchitecture. This would outperform even the GPU in the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 32GB, which boasts 14S MIDs with an older Gen Ampere architecture. This potential leap in GPU power promises to deliver stunning visuals and immersive gaming experiences to players. Furthermore, the rumor mill suggests that the Nintendo Switch 2 could be equipped with 12 to 16 gigs of RAM, further enhancing its capabilities and ensuring smooth multitasking. The inclusion of Tegra X1 backwards compatibility could be a nod to loyal fans who wish to enjoy their favorite titles from the original Switch while experiencing the new hardware's performance enhancements. As with any rumors, it's essential to take this information with a grain of salt until officially confirmed by Nintendo. However, if these speculations hold true, the Nintendo Switch 2 could be poised to revolutionize the gaming industry once again, providing a gaming experience that rivals, and potentially surpasses, its competitors in the console market. Gamers worldwide eagerly await official announcements from Nintendo to see if these exciting prospects become a reality. However, until Nintendo officially confirms or denies these rumors, it's wise to exercise patience and refrain from making premature judgments. In the dynamic world of gaming technology, surprises can come from unexpected directions, and what we imagine today might be only the tip of the iceberg. So, while the Nintendo Switch 2 remains shrouded in speculation, gamers around the world can eagerly await official announcements, and look forward to a potential game-changing addition to the gaming landscape. I hope that soon this game console will be available, and I will be able to tell you more about it in a full review. Have a good day and God bless you.